Introduction. Do you ever wonder what it would be like to travel back in time and meet your favorite historical figures or see your future self? What if you could go back in time to change a moment from your past that you regret? Well, today we're going to dive into the exciting world of time travel and explore some of the fascinating theories and paradoxes that come with it. The theory of relativity. Time travel is often associated with science fiction and movies like Back to the Future, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. To understand how time travel could be possible, we need to explore the theory of relativity. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time and space are not separate entities but are interconnected, and that time moves at different speeds depending on an object's velocity. In simple terms, the faster an object moves, the slower time passes for that object. This idea opens up the possibility of traveling to the past or the future by accelerating an object to extremely high speeds. The grandfather paradox. One of the most intriguing paradoxes in time travel is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you traveled back in time and stopped your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, preventing your birth and thus your own existence. But if you didn't exist, how could you have gone back in time to stop your grandfather? This paradox highlights the challenges of time travel and the potential consequences of changing the past. To avoid this paradox, some theories suggest that time travel is only possible in a single direction, from the present to the past, but not vice versa. The many odds interpretation. Another theory of time travel is the many odds interpretation, which suggests that every time a decision is made or an event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes. In this scenario, each possible outcome would have its own universe, and the decision would have already been made in one of those universes. This interpretation avoids the paradoxes of time travel, as events in the past can't be changed, and it doesn't create any contradictions. Conclusion. While time travel may seem like a fantastical concept, it's actually grounded in some of the most fundamental principles of physics. By exploring the theory of relativity and the many odds interpretation, we can gain a deeper understanding of the possibilities and paradoxes of time travel. As we continue to explore the universe and uncover more secrets of the cosmos, who knows what other wonders we may uncover, including the possibility of traveling through time and space.